What's up everybody, we are back with another video and today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. Microsoft's got your back with a whole lineup of free IT courses specifically designed to get you up to speed on all things AI. We're talking high-quality content, all accessible without spending a dime. Whether you're a total beginner or you've got some tech skills under your belt already, there's something here for everyone. We'll break down each course, what you'll learn, and why it matters. Let's get started. First up, we're hitting the ground running with fundamental AI concepts. Think of this as your AI 101, laying the foundation for everything else. We'll be diving into the core principles of AI, demystifying the tech, and exploring how it's already being used in some seriously cool ways. This course gets real-world, showing you how AI is changing the game in fields like healthcare, financial management, and environmental monitoring. You'll learn about different types of AI, from machine learning to deep learning and how they're being applied across industries. This course also dives into the ethical considerations surrounding AI. We're talking responsible AI development, bias detection, and making sure AI is used for good. Fundamental AI concepts is the perfect place to start. Alright, let's talk about fundamentals of responsible generative AI. This course dives into one of the most buzzed about areas of AI. Generative AI. We're talking AI that can create things, text, images, even music. But with this incredible power comes responsibility, and that's what this course is all about. We'll be exploring the potential pitfalls of generative AI, like the spread of misinformation or the creation of harmful content. This course equips you with the knowledge and tools to use generative AI responsibly. It's about ensuring that as we unlock the incredible potential of generative AI, we do so responsibly. Fundamentals of Azure AI Services, your toolkit for building the future. This course takes you under the hood of Microsoft's powerful cloud platform, Azure, and shows you how to leverage its AI services to create cutting-edge applications. Think of Azure as your AI playground, a massive toolbox packed with pre-built AI models and services ready to be integrated into your projects. You'll learn about Azure Cognitive Services, which provide APIs for things like natural language processing, computer vision, and speech recognition. We'll dive into Azure Machine Learning, Microsoft's cloud-based machine learning platform. The course will guide you through real-world examples, showing you how to build everything from sentiment analysis tools to image recognition systems using Azure AI services. Whether you're a developer, a data scientist, or just someone who wants to understand how to harness the power of Azure AI, this course is your ticket to the exciting world of AI development. Fundamentals of Generative AI, Unleashing the Power of AI Creativity. This course explores the mind-bending capabilities of AI that can generate original content, from text and code to images and music. We'll start by demystifying the tech behind generative AI, exploring how language models like GPT-3 and DALL-E 2 are trained on massive datasets to generate human-quality text and images. You'll understand how these models learn patterns, mimic styles, and produce original content. We'll explore the incredible applications of generative AI across various industries. We'll also discuss the ethical considerations surrounding generative AI, ensuring its power is used responsibly and ethically. This course is your guide to understanding the transformative potential of generative AI. So there you have it, guys. Microsoft's free IT courses for AI are an absolute game changer for anyone looking to break into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Apply now and start learning by clicking the link provided in the description. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos about AI, tech, and everything in between. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.